So we're back at Mino. It's April at the moment, and it's so much cooler than when we came here last year. There are fewer people too, but the air is so nice here. And then up there is the way back, all the way up there. It's a steep climb back, but it's definitely worth coming. Obviously, or I wouldn't have come twice. The more deserted end of the waterfall. Those are the toilets, there. But they're like any sort of country place in Japan. They're really not very nice, so go before you come here. This is the more deserted end. And the car is somewhere over there. Keep going down the more deserted end. This is what you find. A lot of paths for walking, and nothing really very much unless you like nature. But down the end there somewhere, you get more towards civilization, but it's quite a long walk, so I wouldn't recommend it. But it's very nice around here, and as I said, the air, it really makes my lungs feel so much better. Walk it slowly, but so that's Mino. Hopefully if you come, you'll now know your way around. And then heading back that way goes back to the car and the waterfall and some eatery places and things. But not many, because we're in the country.